next a child table in the HubDB. So the way you do it, so let's say for instance this is your child table. So this is the child table. Here you have the name of the store, and then after that the addresses. So now the way that you annex this one, so let's say for instance your main table is this one here, where you did list like all the items for like all the products. So now you want to extend this field here, so this column, you want to extend it or by annexing the child table. So do it by going to actions, manage settings, and then you click here, allow use of child table. Yeah, so once that is done, so this one is automatically create listing pages for child table. As you can see, this allows you to create listing or category pages located or the path level of the child table in this parent. And then this one here include other tables in this table. So this helps you to separate or categorize your data into smaller, more specific tables, and then combine it all in parent table. So you save. So once you save, okay, so we save there. As you can see now, this is the table itself, the child table. Now I did HubSpot system, so the HubDB did automatically add the column here. So now it's just to choose your extension there, put the store. So which means that when you're accessing this page here, so this page is going to have the ID, the page title. So once you are going there, so you're gonna have, those are the stuff that you're gonna have. So you're having like iPhones, you're having all those information plus all the information that is within this table. Let's say for instance, you have another child table, it's called members. So each row they can have different kind of child table that is going to extend their data. But in this case, we're going to just keep everything like store. Once it's done, you just publish. This is how you add a child table in your main HubDB table. Thank you so much.